However, I am Taunsa Shah with my YouTube channel Modern Agri Techniques. Today I am at my village farm that is located at Tehsil Taunsa Sharif, and the village name is Abol Shah, district DG Khan, Southern Punjab. I have planted different plants here, but due to harsh water, my plants are not performing well, especially grapes. I have done a lot of research work on Shandokhani variety, which is top class variety of Pakistan. I have grafted it on different rootstocks, and I have now shifted these plants here. I will show you. Now the major problem was the availability of sweet water, because our subsoil water is very harsh. Then a canal runs near us, and sometime it comes. We have made a small pole, and we have installed here a solar system, solar irrigation system. That is very simple, and total cost is rupees 5 to 6,000. You can see that is a sweet water of canal, and we are lifting it with a solar pump. That is too small pump, very efficient pump. And it was my dream, because these plants have been planted on at high level than the actual level of soil. So to provide these plants sweet water was a really major problem for me, and I have resolved it with my different friends who suggested me to lift that water with that solar pump. We have only 2 plates. We have installed 2 plates. That is very cheap system. These 2 plates are working, and the water which has been collected in a pond, we have inserted a tube in that water, which is sucking it, and water is coming due to that pump, solar pump, and water is running very fast. You can see the water is running very fast. And to irrigate my grapes with the sweet water was my dream, and now I have become successful. Now we are irrigating our field, our grapes, with sweet water, canal water. You can see the water is coming with pipe here. These are my different grapes plants, and today is 10th March, and they have started sprouting. These all are grafted one, using different rootstocks to convert the high chill variety Shandokhani into low chill variety. We have used different rootstocks, desi, local rootstocks, and Sultani Asi, which is the best performer about at that area. You can see the irrigation, that is totally free. Grapes are sprouting. We are now irrigating it with sweet water, without any energy, without any cost, electricity cost. These all are now sprouting. You can see that is my field, total research area, where I have planted different varieties. Different varieties have been grafted. You can see the fruit is coming out from small plants. These all are grafted plants. You can see the fruit is coming out. That is fruit, bud, fruit. That is fruit. And still it has to sprout. It's sprouting. The temperate fruit brings fruit first and then leaves. And these all buds are now ready to open. You can see here. These buds are ready to open. Thank you very much.